Why we started our YouTube channels. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Guys, in today's video, we're going to be discussing why we started our YouTube channels. Now, I say two channels because there's also another channel besides this channel, which is OG Investing. The other channel that we also have has to do with real estate, or it's called under the name, and we're going to put a link below. It's under the name Los Angeles Building and Design. And on that channel, we also feature projects that we've done in the past, projects that we're currently working on, and we basically show people, give people ideas of what you can do with properties, or give you more insight on the real estate business itself and how we were able to manage to get from a starting point with one property to now have flipped over I believe it's like 30 properties now. Make sure, if you haven't visited our other channel and if you're interested in real estate, to go ahead and log on there and check that channel out, like and subscribe. Remember, don't forget to do that if you find any of the information informative. Now, we have two basic reasons why we created this channel, Investing OG. My main reason in creating this channel was to educate people, and more so educate our youth in terms of them being able to, with technology being at our fingertips on our phones and stuff, the youth now has the ability to go online and see a variety of information. Now, to me, it's important that our youth, because of everything that's going on, because of all the problems within society, because there's so many breakups in marriages, and a lot of times these kids are left, without a dad, without a mom, and a lot of times they're left without a mom and a dad, and they have nowhere to look to in terms of what they can do with their life, how they can better themselves. So our main focus for this channel was to be able to have the opportunity to show people how to invest their money just a little bit better. There's a lot of ways you can invest your money, but if you really think about it, a lot of times, man, you get your money, you get your paycheck, and you go out that weekend and you spend most of it. I know a lot of people that do this, because at one point I was a lot younger and a lot of my friends would do this. For me, I wish I would have had something like YouTube 30 years ago, 20 years ago, because it's just like a fountain of information that's put out there for you. It's like free information for everybody. And the way I can educate, our youth and people that are watching this video right now is by showing them or giving them examples of how I've learned how to do stuff. And then they can go ahead and take that information and, you can do it as well. So this is like for everybody, because I believe in one thing. I believe in hard work, and I also believe that in life and in business, you're going to go through trial and error. And a lot of it has to go through trial and error. And a lot of it depends on whether you stick around and go through the whole process. Because trust me, there's going to be up and then there's going to be down. Smiles and cries. That's the way I see it. You have to learn from your cries in order for you to smile later on. And in this channel, we try to teach people, maybe, don't commit the same mistakes that I've committed or that we've committed. Try to skip that and better yourself. And that's the type of information I like to put out there. Just information for people to realize that there's other ways to invest their money. There's other ways besides just going to work, doing the 9 to 5. There's other ways. It's just about educating yourself. It does take a lot of work, though. It's not going to be easy. Sometimes it's not going to be fun, but trust me, if you do it correctly and you stick at it, you stick to it, then it's all going to work out. It's all going to work out, guys. And the second reason why we decided to make multiple channels was for, to connect with others. Connect with others that are in the same business. Yeah, my plans, my goals are to connect with others that are in the same business, that are focused in doing the same things as me. This is my way of promoting. Using my channel, I can promote my business, what I like to do, right? And if I can associate with myself with other people that do the same thing as me or something similar, I hope I can meet other people that do the same thing, and I can learn from them, because trust me guys, I mean, I get information from all kinds of people, and then I just piece it all together, and at the end of the day, this information is pretty much free. It's just up to you whether you want to focus yourself and get this information, gather it in, and then just keep the bits and pieces of different people that you run across. You know, I learned a lot of stuff from videos that I've watched, and I hope to offer that same type of information to you guys that are watching these videos that we produce, that we put out there on a daily basis. But with that, guys, my goal, and if you are, you know, doing the same similar stuff that I'm doing, shout out to you, and please leave your comments down below, because I'm always interested. We always respond to the comments down below all the time, you know, whether it's just a question or something that you're getting into. I like to hear everything, you know what I mean? I just like to pick everybody's brain about stuff, because that's the only way we get to learn, guys. That's the only way. If you don't ask, you will not receive. If you ask, you get what you ask for. Guys, with that, hopefully this video served as some type of information for you. If it did, please like and subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell. And with that, guys, have yourselves a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one.